structure, we need to bring payback to the nation by addressing the issues of the nation which are important today, and as Prime Minister said, is looking forward for IITians to contribute to that. The second one is about contributing to the IIT system. We need to work together, all seven IITians, to make difference to IIT system so that we move towards the path of excellence, which is what I talked about in the morning. The third one, of course, is to help each other. We are a community of 200,000 IITians of all 7 IITs. We need to work together to help each other, to support each other. So the journey that I'm going to describe to you next few minutes about how we are making all these 3 things happen. Let's talk first about how we are making difference by networking ourselves, by bringing forward the issues. Next. 7 IITs coming together. We have the theme here of Inspire, Innovate and Transform India, that is IIT. We had a 2006 conference, a successful conference, where we kicked off many initiatives about which I will talk very soon. And our past president, Kalam, talked about doing something and creating jobs. He gave us a message, he willed, and we made it happen. Next. This is an update on the event. Before I start, can we stop here for a second? I would like to acknowledge a person here who has made this event happen, the 2008 event happen. He's the CEO of a multinational. We'll find difficult to get his time, his aspiration, his energy, but he last 18 months has been spending time on it. He acknowledged all his members here, ladies and gentlemen, but the leader needs the acknowledgement, greatest of all. Can I request Ms. Santanam to stand up for all that he did for us? He went, I used to catch him in Paris, I used to catch him in which country, I don't know when I call him, but he was there always working for Pan IITians. It is these leaders who have made difference to Pan IIT movement, ladies and gentlemen. So my first accolade goes to him. Let me come back to the update that I'm talking about. The one area where we are making considerable difference is in engineering education, in technical education, and also at a ground level education. Next. There are projects that we are going to talk very soon. I'll not get into the details of them, but I'll talk about how we are institutionalizing the Pan IIT movement. When we started Pan IIT journey, we did not have a secretary general, we did not have full-time office. We have now full-time office, Secretary General Ashok Khalbag, who has joined us. Ashok, can you stand up? He needs a great accolade. Ashok has been in engineering industry, IIT Bombay person, decided to leave the job and join Pan IIT movement. I think it is this kind of people with energy, passion, commitment to IIT is what we need. So he is full-time here, driving a lot of initiatives in Pan IIT. Beyond that, as I said, some of the areas which we have been very successful was networking events, that 2006, 7 in US and now in 8 here. We have been enhancing IIT brand, engaging with IIT vision and governance, and we have been constantly engaged in dialogue with HRD Ministry, Commerce Ministry, and the report that you saw today is part of this engagement with Commerce Ministry. We are also about advocacy at other levels where rural development has to take place, and government has been very supportive. I must mention here the Tamil Nadu government and IAS officer of Kanchipuram district, Collector Mishra, who has been personally helpful under the leadership of the bureaucracy, Chief Secretary and Industry Secretary to make it happen. Do I have Misra? But IIT is not, Penn IIT is not only about this. To help each other, we decided to have what is called as entrepreneurship, mentoring and entrepreneurship as our theme, because as President Kalam said, we need to work on entrepreneurship because IITians as entrepreneurs create jobs. Let's hear something more on that. Next. Sound.
2008,
Some problem
Penn IIT conducted simultaneous mentoring in 16 cities where 1,000 entrepreneurs were mentored by 225 IITians. This was a never done before kind of a program.
So this is what we did in 26 January when we had 1,000 IITians and non-IITians mentored by 215 IITians. Next one I'll move to is what is called as Indo-US Engineering Education, and this is about engineering education and how Penn IIT as a system is making impact, how Penn IITians are making impact on engineering education. Before I even talk about it, this movement is led by Krishna Vedula, an IITian again and a professor in US. Is Krishna here? Krishna Vedula here? Yeah. Please give him a big hand. He is a passionate driver of this movement and he has made wonders. I'll talk about it soon. Next slide, please.
Together, we need to figure the answers out. You know, what those changes would be, how will we leverage technology, how will we leverage people, the best people around the world to figure this out. And that's why it is important that, you know, India and US is collaborating in this endeavor.
Basic mission is improving the employability of engineering graduates, and to improve this, we need to improve the faculty quality, which we all know requires improvement with 600,000 engineers which are going to come out from the system in next 5 years. That's the biggest challenge that we have, and I'm very glad to say that IUCE is confronting that challenge square on. Next slide, please. Basically what they do is they get professors from US to India once every year as of now, expose then the Indian faculty, and there were 500 of them started at Infosys campus in the first session that we had a few months back. What we do there is that we create the trainers. In fact, these 500 trainers were created by these 50 Indian as well as American professors, and they in turn went to their regions and they created regional centers. So now the movement has moved from Mysore, where it started, to various regional centers. The emphasis is on these trainers. These 500 people in turn will train maybe 20 times more people in various regions, various engineering colleges. So we have now not only moved to step 1,